Welcome to Bullbuck. Today we are not just reviewing a bike, we are talking about a machine I have lived with, ridden, tested, cruised, and survived with for more than 10,000 kilometers. Yes, this is a long term ownership review of Triumph Speed T4. So sit back, relax, or maybe put on your riding gloves if you want to feel the vibe. Because we are going deep. Over the past few months, the Speed T4 has seen everything with me. Smooth highways, tight streets, rough patches, surprise potholes, and those magical early mornings, empty roads where every motorcycle suddenly feels like a superbike. At least for 2 minutes. I even had a couple of visits to the service center, mostly because of brake pad issues. Nothing major, just a brake bike reminds me that it needs attention too, like a clean film. Let's talk performance. On paper, the bike produces 31 PS and 36 Newton meter, but on road, it feels like, bro, don't worry, I got you. The torque delivery is the highlight of this motorcycle. Low RPMs, high gear, bike still pulls like it just had a double espresso. In the city, quick overtakes, smooth pull, zero stress. On highway, it cruises effortlessly. As long as you remember, it's not a race bike. It won't give you MotoGP fever, but it will comfortably keep up with real world traffic. The beauty of the engine is usability. It does not push you to ride like a maniac. And honestly, that's a blessing, especially when you are just trying to reach home on time. Now, build quality. The finish is good, switch gears are okay, panel sits well. And here comes the honest part. I dropped the bike once, and yes, I know it happened. But here's the fun part. I didn't install the lower engine guard, and the gear lever bent, and everything else is alright. The bike basically told me next time spend the extra money on protection. Lesson learned. Now, comfort. The riding posture is a mix, slightly committed, slightly relaxed, somewhere between commuter, and I watch MotoGP highlights but ride responsibly. The footrests are bit rear set, making the bike lively in traffic, fun, flickable, and light on mode. Now the seats, short rides, fine, long rides, well, after an hour you start shifting around like you are searching for Wi-Fi signals. In the beginning, every 30 minutes felt tough. Now I can ride for 3 hours straight, mostly because my body has accepted its fate. A seat upgrade is definitely coming. Now comes very important part, mileage. The real world numbers 28 kilometers per liter to 30 kilometers per liter in mixed ride conditions, 31 to 32 km per liter on relaxed highway cruising. Not bad for talky mid-size bike. If you ride aggressively, mileage drops. If you ride like a saint, why are you even watching motorcycle reviews? Maintenance, the weekly ritual. Weekly wash, weekly chain clean, weekly chain lube, fuel system cleaner every 1,000 kilometers. The chain need attention. Ignore it, it complains louder than an old auto rickshaw. Keep it clean, and the bike rewards you with smooth, quiet ride. Now, tires. Let's take a moment of silence for the punctures. Four in the rear. They are bias ply, hard compound, and long lasting, but braking and grip, not good. In deep corners, the bike feels like it's asking, are you sure about this? U-turns need caution, wet roads need sprayer. Straight highways, fine. A tire upgrade is top in the priority list. And also there is some sort of dent in some areas of the tire. Tire is absolutely not good. Overall verdict, the real experience. After 10,000 plus kilometers, here's my honest take. The Triumph Speed T4 isn't just top speed. It's not overloaded with tech. It's not pretending to be a race bike. It's about the balance. It gives you fun torque, good handling, solid build, decent mileage, simple maintenance, and appealing design. It's a motorcycle that makes you want to ride every day, and that is the biggest win. The real ownership test begins after second and third service. That's when we will truly know the cost of owning one. And yes, I'll share the update here on Bullbuck. This is Bullbuck. Thank you for riding along with me through this long-term review of French Speed T4. If you're enjoying the honest real-world motorcycle talks, stay connected, stay curious, and most importantly, stay riding. As usual, share, like, and subscribe the channel Bullbuck.